How to add mobile data to control center on your iPhone. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. This is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can add mobile data to your control center. Now this is for iOS 18, so make sure that you're on iOS 18 before you follow with this video. So what you need to do is just pull up your control panel, and if you go to your connectivity section, you will see your cellular data option, that is your mobile data. Now let's say that you want it right here. You want your cellular data right here without any inside any folder like system. So what you need to do is just pull down your control panel, tap on the plus icon on the top left. After you do that, you will get edit option. Now what you need to do is tap on add a control below, and after you do so, just search for connectivity. After you search for it, you will get cellular data right there. Select cellular data, and there you go. Now you have your cellular data. Now you can place it wherever you want. You can even change its size, and after you do so, just leave this page, and there you go. Now you have your cellular data on your control panel. So it's this simple, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video.